Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, July 14th. Time is around 4:40 GMT. And so the European markets are closing. The US markets still have half a session to go, but I would like to already do my weekly recap of the trading week. So this is more an educational video. We will have a look what went good this week, what went not so good, what can we do better, what can we learn from the past week. So if you like this content, it's kind of an experiment. Please let me know. Like, subscribe, comment, so I know that I can further make this videos if you find this valuable or not. So this week we start with the Nasdaq here in the 1 hour. Yeah, we had again a very successful trade with the Nasdaq. Actually, we were actually waiting for this area to go along, but we did not reach it. We had a similar situation last week or the week before, I believe. We were also waiting here to buy it, but we couldn't buy it. But then we got a second chance here, and this is what we also did this week. It was again a bit tricky because they did not give us really an ABC, but it went into the area, as you can see on the 15 minutes, where a wave 2 should go between the 0 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. And luckily, I could catch it there, and look what a nice run we had. Yeah, I didn't do it all the way. Like in between, I started to take profit, and now I completely closed my position because I start to see, sorry, on the 1 hour here in the Nasdaq, I start to see divergence. So I think this is ending. We are also in the area where this wave 3 can end. So then I think for next week we have to look out. Yeah, probably buying this ABC here if we get the chance. Then so I'm expecting now, if this is ending, let's see after today. If this is ending, then I would expect ABC correction to the downside, and then maybe this wave 4 we can buy again for more upside as a wave 5. That's something to monitor last week, or to look out for. But yeah, so the Nasdaq this week was a good trade. Then if we look at the Dow, we will first do the Dow. Here we have the 1 hour chart. We were again ready to buy it. I gave you this area here, but yeah, unfortunately we just missed it. This would also have been a very nice trade, actually, as you can see. Um, yeah, a lot of, a nice move to the upside. And yeah, I would say this is part of trading. Like, yeah, in the future you can consider to put your entry a bit above this level. So this level, for the ones who missed it, is actually the area that we can find by taking the length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension as the area where our wave C should end. And yeah, sometimes it goes all the way to the 1.618 level, or even a bit beyond, and sometimes it does not reach the equal leg. So yeah, a solution for this is to put your entry a bit higher. This is something I might consider to do in the future, especially if you already see like 5 waves with divergence. Like, this could have been a sign here just to buy. Like, if you have in RSI such such a pullback, and then you make a new low end price and you only have this as RSI, maybe that could be enough to consider a long entry. So this is what I learned from the Dow. this week. And yeah, I told you in today's video this morning we were somewhere here. I think that I was waiting for this fifth wave up, and now we have our fifth wave up, I think. No, not yet. So let's see today if we can take this wave out here, this wave 3. Then we have a 4 and probably a 5 to the upside. We are ending with divergence. This is good. Or maybe they are playing a bit with us, and the wave 4 is still going on. We do a bit deeper, and then one more high ending with divergence. And then next week I think we have to look out to buy this wave 2 pullback. We could also consider, depending on what we get here in the second half of the US trading session, if we get here some more upside, this might also be a short entry maybe, but I will not enter anymore. Today is something for next week. So no trade in the Dow. Unfortunately, we missed it here. Then, the DAX. Here we are looking at the 1-hour chart of the DAX. We were preparing to take this trade. So we actually reached the area from where we should retrace, but my opinion was that like this was quite a drop to the downside, and then usually what happens is that like you get away to work this drop off, and then you make like one more low, and then we go again. And this was what I was actually waiting for, but unfortunately this wave 4 was only very shallow. So yeah, I was ready to enter. I was really monitoring this, but we started to move up. I still thought that this would be like the wave 4, something like this, but actually we did not came down anymore. So it evolved in something more impulsive. And look where we are now. If we could have had this trade, would have been wonderful, but I missed it. But okay, it's part of trading. I did not lose any money. I was successful with the NASDAQ. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for this. Like I told you, I'm now very curious if this will, like it is now. It looks, if we look at the 15 minutes on the DAX, for me this looks still corrective, this structure as an ABC. I want to see this. I want to see a wave 4 and a wave 5. The wave 4 could be ongoing for the moment, but it could also be that we again see more downside from here. And if it stays like this in 3 waves, then I would be careful to go long against this low here, because if this is also corrective, then we could working here on a bigger corrective structure. So this weekend, for my higher time frame analysis, I will have a closer look at this, put it in a broader context, to see like if this is corrective, this whole structure, what it exactly could be, and where we are heading. So this is something to watch out next week. Like, is this upward move finished here? Then for me, it looks more like a corrective structure as an ABC in 3 waves. Of course, if we have a wave 4 and a wave 5 ending with divergence, then it's impulsive, and then I would feel more comfortable to buy this wave 2 here if we come down in an ABC. So this is something also for next week. And then we have the FTSE. Yeah, the FTSE is It's apparently very difficult for me. Like, I've been quite successful so far in predicting the path, in the sense that we will go down and go or reach, or yeah, reach this kind of area here. But day after day, I'm missing the entries of the FTSE. It happened here, and then this week again. I Same as the DAX actually. I was waiting for this as a wave 4 here, then one more low into this area, and from here long again. But yeah, as you can see, I also did not have the chance here to go long. We immediately started to raise from here, and so yeah, now we are here, and yeah, like, this cannot be a wave 4 anymore. In the meantime, somebody also commented that my wave 4 goes into the area of my wave 1, and this is not possible. Indeed, this person is right. This is not possible as a wave 3, but I have to admit that like, during the week, I really focus on the lower time frame, on the lower time frame structure. So for me, it's not really important then what this exactly is, and this, and also this is what counts for me during the week. And like, I can easily solve it if we do like this: 1 2. I put the 3, no, I mean, yeah, I put the 3 uh here. No, 1 2 3. No, I should have a closer look, but this we can also see as an ending diagonal, like yeah, like this: 1 2 3 4, and then this here is our wave 5 ending diagonal, and then the wave 4 can go into the area of the wave 1. But yeah, of course, we are retracing too much now as a wave 4. So in conclusion, my Elliott wave count, I'm not comfortable anymore with this Elliott wave count here. I think I seriously have to reconsider, and this is what I also will do this weekend. I now think more in terms of WXY structure, because this, it looks like we are moving in 3. Like, if you see these movements, and we are not moving in 5. So I will update my charts for the FTSE this weekend. I will start with the higher time frame analysis, and then I will also make a video on this. Okay, so that's my recap for the week. We had a good trade for the Nasdaq, and actually, yeah, we were prepared for the DOW, also for the FTSE, also for the DAX. But yeah, we missed our entries. But the entries we were planning to enter, but we missed it, unfortunately. But okay, it's part of trading. We didn't lose any money, and we learned a lot. So okay, I wish you a nice weekend, and then I will see you again later this weekend for a higher time frame analysis. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.